gloves, shoes, wheelbarrow, Hadouken! Alright guys, day 6, just got a message that there had been some fresh wood chip delivered to the allotment, so I've rushed down. What I intend to do today is to bring as much wood chip as possible to my allotment and to cover the paths with the wood chip. That in theory should stop any weeds or plants growing along my path. Thanks again for joining me. If this is the first time that you're watching, welcome. Please do like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my allotment journey. Alright, let's get to it. Get the wheelbarrow out and fill it up with wood chip. Let's go. That's my trusty wheelbarrow. Wood chip time, guys. Wood chip time. Let's load up. Load up. Everyone's getting the good stuff. Load it up. Wood chips, boy. There you go guys, the wood chip is done on the path. That should hopefully stop any weeds from growing. And I've heard if you leave it for a couple of years, it could, or it does, turn into compost. So we shall see. Beautiful. Beautiful wood chips. Combo breaker.